Howdy y'all, welcome back to Cam Shack Productions. Today I want to show you this new Naturehike IGT, which stands for Iron Grill Table, that I just picked up. And I just want to dive right into this thing. So this table is a super cool, very small, as you can see, 8-pound foldable table that gives you some really cool options as far as I'm concerned. So all you have to do is pull this thing out, and then what makes this table super unique is the fact that it has all of these different panels, and yes, all of them come in their own separate bags, which can be good and bad all at the same time. But this thing has, like I said, some really cool features that I want to show you. So with this, you get multiple different slats. Let's see, you get 6 of the big slats and 2 small slats. And what I mean by small slats is that these are the ones that you use to actually hook into your end piece here. And that is what gives your structure to your table. Again, you can see the comparison size difference. You just slide it into place, it locks in. And then you can take all of the other pieces and they just lock into place, except for this one. This one is actually so that you can add a stove, which is an additional pickup. This table comes in again at 8 pounds, and it is going for $99 right now. So let me get these last 2 slats in. So they just clip in, and you have a really solid table. You can see that it's got a gear hook hang right here, so you can hang pots, pans, anything you want on it that way. That was a bad maneuver on my part. Sorry everybody. Hope that wasn't too loud if you were listening on headphones. Man, that turned into a real disaster right there, didn't it? So you have all of those pieces, which I think is super cool. And again, the ability to drop a stove into this slot, which opens up and creates a really cool space for you right here that you can put you in. And this is the actual Naturehike stove. This is coming in at $38. And I have to say, the bag has already started to tear on me. But this thing is an isobutane stove, and you essentially can drop it into place, and it locks in right here. And you have a stove that you can put anywhere you want inside of your table. And I think that that thing is super duper cool. All right, so isobutane, this thing comes in pretty cool. And again, you can use it, you can put your pan on it, you can do anything you want there. But one of the other really cool things that comes with this stove, if you decide to pick it up, again, the stove and this are both optional. But this is the foldable grill. So all you have to do is lock it down, and this is where this thing gets pretty cool. You can just drop it right into your table, hence the iron grill table. And it does come with 2 sets of tongs. So I really think that this thing is outstandingly cool. The grill comes in at $49, $50 basically for this grill, and it does have a piece, but I'm gonna throw it to myself to show you guys this actual table in action. So again, the table itself is 99 bucks. The grill is 50 and the stove is 35. So if you want to pick one of these up, do that. But again, let me throw it to myself where I'm actually out camping and using this thing, and I'll show you guys what I actually think of this table. But overall, super solid. I love the modularness. And yeah, it's short, but I'm finding that I'm really liking that in camp tables nowadays. All right. I have my handy dandy welding gloves, but essentially you just pull the grill out. And I have a bunch of matchlight charcoal here that I would normally chimney, but I forgot my chimney. So tonight, we're just gonna do something like this. Naturehike does provide you with some big tongs to be able to move coals around if you need to. So I got it. I had to build a small fire underneath it because I think my matchlight is so old, but I did get it. Come on, that's pretty cool, right? I have overdone the chicken. I'm out in the middle of the desert. I got a long drive home tomorrow, and I would rather have it overdone rather than underdone. So now I do have kind of a problem. This thing is, it's actually kind of nice when it's cold because it's warm, but if you want to use the table to eat, you're definitely going to have a lot of heat. And you can see that it's stuck to the grill pretty hardcore here. I mean, that's pretty gnar, right? So we'll set that there, and then I think I'm going to take this and dump it into the fire pit before I eat, just so that I can cool it off a little bit over here, because that thing's hot. So check in with you guys once this is cooled down enough for me to be able to have a nibble. Yeah, pretty cool little table, man. The Naturehike table gets a thumbs up for me, even though I didn't use the burner yet. I will for sure. It's just a really interesting use. And it does come with extra slats so that if you don't want to use the grill, you can just use it as a table. But I think overall a super cool concept. It made lighting the fire super easy with all the coals that were left over. I got a lot of chicken. It definitely has some hot spots. I'm gonna have to figure out how to cook on this thing. Maybe move the coals to one side and keep one side open, but that's always a learning process with a new grill. But y'all, if you made it this far, please go down, hit the like button. You know, I'm always trying to bring you new videos. I'm always trying to show you guys some cool stuff that I found out there. And I think that this Naturehike table definitely makes the grade. I think it completes my final piece to my kitchen set that I've been looking for. So I'm pretty stoked. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, again, go down, hit the like button. If you're feeling super generous, subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you all back in the next video. All right, be well, my friends. A little pickle beer, a little chicken, fire, desert. It's not even that cold. Beautiful. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, be well, my friends.